Conversation. Introducing yourself, using I am, and my name is. Situation. Two students meet for the first time at school.
Hi, my name is Emma. What's your name?
Hi Emma, my name is Jack. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Jack. Are you a new student here?
Yes, I am. I just moved to this city last week.
Oh, that's great. Where are you from?
I am from Australia. How about you?
I am from Cambodia. Welcome to our school.
Thank you. I am happy to be here.
Which grade are you in?
I am in grade 5. And you?
I am in grade 5 too. We are classmates.
Wow, that's awesome.
Yes, let's be friends.
Sure, I am excited to study with you.
Me too. See you in class?
Grammar focus. Using I am and my name is. I am is used to describe yourself. Example, I am Emma. My name is used to introduce your name. Example, my name is Jack.